Number 1, bido, start. Bido, bido. Bido iri nri gị ugbu a. Start eating your food now. Bido iri nri gị ugbu a. Bido iri nri gị ugbu a. Start eating your food now. Number 2, binye. Binye, lend. Binye, binye. Binye mu ego. Lend me money. Binye mu ego. Binye mu ego. Lend me money. Number 3, biri. Biri, biri, borrow. Biri, borrow. Biri ego n'aka Nneka. Biri ego n'aka Nneka. Borrow money from Nneka. Borrow money from Nneka. Biri ego n'aka Nneka. Number 4, fuo, blow. Fuo, 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 fuo bolombolo ahụ. Fuo bolombolo ahụ. Blow that balloon. Blow that balloon. Fuo bolombolo ahụ. Now, a quick class work. I want to know how many of you have been following. What did I say is start in Igbo language? What did I say is start? Tell me in the comment section. Don't cheat, oh. Don't take this video back to know what I told you initially. Don't copy from another person. Just write in the comment section for me what I said is start. This will tell me if you are following me or not. Number 5, fiko. Fiko. Fiko is squeeze. Squeeze. Fiko akwụkwọ afụ. Fiko akwụkwọ afụ. Squeeze that book. Squeeze that book. Fiko akwụkwọ afụ. Squeeze that book. Number 6, ga. Ga, go. Ga, go. Ga ebe ahụ taa. Ga ebe ahụ taa. Go there today. Ga ebe ahụ taa. Go there today. Number 7, gee ntị. Gee ntị. Gee ntị. Listen. Gee mụ ntị. Listen to me. Gee mụ ntị. Gee mụ ntị. Listen to me. Number 8, gụọ, read. Gụọ, read. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Read your book. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Read your book. Number 9, gụọ ọnụ. Gụọ ọnụ. Gụọ ọnụ. Count. Gụọ ọnụ. Count. Gụọ efere ndị a ọnụ. Count these plates. Gụọ efere ndị a ọnụ. Count these plates. Gụọ efere ndị a ọnụ. Now, classwork 2. Ensure you are reading your classwork 1, because I will check it. I will check the comment section for your classwork 1. So this is classwork 2. Don't copy anybody. Don't play the video back. This is just the second to the last thing I just said before I did something about counting. So what is read in Igbo? What is read? Tell me what I said is read. That's the second to the last one now. Tell me what I said is read. Write it in the comment section. No cheating, no. Don't copy another person. Just tell me what is read in the Igbo language. And I will mark it. I will correct it. Don't worry. Just write it. Write it, okay? Number 10, goro. 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 Bye. Now, before you come for me and tell me, oh, I have had zuo or go. Yes, go, goro is bye. Zuo, zoro is bye. Remember what I teach on this channel is general Igbo. That's the popular ways people say things in Igbo language. So, and I'm on G. I'm treating G now. So I am on goro, which can also be go, goro. Okay, goro. Akwụkwọ nke gị. Goro akwụkwọ nke gị or go akwụkwọ nke gị. Buy your own book. Buy your own book. Goro akwụkwọ nke gị. Number 11. Wo, 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 kill. Wo, agwọ afọ. Wo, agwọ afọ. Kill that snake. Wo, agwọ afọ. Kill that snake. Enrollment into our group Igbo adult class for next month is now open. So if you are interested in taking your Igbo learning further, then you need to join this our Igbo group class. You need to enroll now for our Igbo group class because we have limited seats available. Okay, and in this Igbo group class is a 20 weeks class that will be 1 hour each week, and each
time to work.
After each class, you will get a video of what was taught in that class for you to go through on your own. You will get an assignment, and that assignment you are to write, and you're expected to also read. So you are writing and also sending audio so that I will go through your pronunciation and be sure you're pronouncing the words accurately. So you do correction based on what you wrote and what you said. That's your pronunciation, okay? So you'll be corrected before the next class. Now, this Igbo group class will be starting from the basic. Our curriculum is such that we are starting from the very basic of Igbo. This very basic in Igbo. Then we'll be going into Igbo grammar. That's past tense, present tense, past participle, all those stuffs. Then from Igbo grammar, we'll be moving up to you being able to construct simple sentences in Igbo, asking questions in Igbo, answering questions in Igbo, and also constructing complex questions and complex sentences in the Igbo language. Then not just that, your enrollment into this Igbo group class gives you opportunity to be part of our WhatsApp group for 2 months, where you'll be brushing up further. That's after the class is over. Remember, it's 20 weeks, which is running for 5 months. That's 20 weeks is 5 months. 1 week, 1 hour each week. So after the class, you get access to our Igbo group WhatsApp, where you stay for 2 months, and there you'll be brushing up further. Any question you have to ask will be, you ask it in that group, it will be answered. And from time to time, I'll be sending out articles that read articles and send it there in audio for you to listen. Okay, so you are getting a 2 months access to our Igbo group, Igbo WhatsApp group. Now you need to check description for the details for the payment, and I tell you it's very affordable. Just check the description for the details on everything. So yeah, let's continue. Number 12. Wa ohu. Wa ohu. Ohu is leg. Ohu leg. Ohu leg. Wa ohu. So wa ohu is kick. Wa ohu kick. Wa on its own can just be play, as in to play ball, not as in playing, shouldn't playing, okay? Wa on its own can be play. So let's use the example so I can understand better. Wa konkoma ho ohu. Wa konkoma ho ohu. Kick that thing. Kick that thing. Konkom is tin. Kom or can. Yeah, can. Is tin, can. Can also. Kick that thing. Kick that can. Wa konkoma ho ohu. Wa konkoma ho ohu. Wa ball. Play ball. Wa ball. Play ball. Number 13. Wa also. Wa also. Wa also. Wa also is run. Wa also run. Wa also run. Wa also kita. Run noun. Wa also kita. I know in a previous example I did that had noun, I said ubua. Now I'm using kita. So that's to tell you that in general Igbo, noun is either kita or ubua. So you can say ubua or kita for noun. Wa also kita. Run now. Number 14. Wa fuo. Wa fuo. Wa fuo. Run away. Wa fuo. Run away. Si ewa wa fuo. Si eba wa fuo. Run away from here. Run away from here. Si ebe a gbafuo. Si ebe a gbafuo. Run away from here. Hello family, there is something I just need to address. I will make a video. I will see 40 views, but to get 5 likes is like as though I'm digging for gold. For me to get 5 likes, 5 comments, like as though I'm digging for gold. It's not fair now. It is not fair. Are you not enjoying these comments and this content? Are you not enjoying it? I've been making videos on verbs, helping you so that verbs are very important in learning Igbo. And I'm helping you making these videos. Encourage me. Don't you love what I'm doing? Show me some love. Like this video right now. Please don't delay. Do it now. May you boo. Like this video, drop a comment for me, leave me a comment in the comment section. If you don't know what to comment, please drop a love emoji telling me that you love what I'm doing. Tell me, Ozioma, I love what you are doing. Drop a love emoji. And if you're yet to subscribe, stop being an onlooker. It doesn't pay to be an onlooker. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because I'll be bringing more videos on verbs. I'll be bringing more videos. And if you don't turn on notification, if you are not subscribed, how will you get it? How will you get it? Show me some love. Encourage me. Tell me that you love what I'm doing. I just need some encouragement from you, okay? Please do it right now. Don't procrastinate, okay? Ngwanu, kaigani. Number 15. Waze, melt, waze mmanụ afọ, melt that oil, waze mmanụ afọ, melt that oil. Number 16. Gbanye, pour, gbanye mmanụ n'ite, gbanye mmanụ n'ite, pour the oil into the pot, gbanye mmanụ n'ite. Number 17. Gbapụ, pour away, gbapụ ya, pour it away, gbapụ ya, pour it away, gbapụ ya, pour it away. This gbapụ can also mean run out, gbapụ iro. That's when we say gbapụ iro, run outside, okay? But for now I'm using pour away. Gbapụ, pour away. 18. Gwa, tell, gwa ya ihe anyị kwuru, gwa ya ihe anyị kwuru, tell her what we said, gwa ya ihe anyị kwuru. Number 19. Gwuo egwu, play, as in children playing, not playing football. Gwuo egwu, play. Jee gwuo egwu, go and play. Jee gwuo egwu, go and play. Jee gwuo egwu, go and play. Now another class work. What is play in the Igbo language? That's what I just said. No. So I want to know those that are paying attention, if your mind is on what you're listening. So tell me in the comment section what I just said is play. You must do this class work. Try, and it's for your own good. Just try and do it, okay? Tell me what is play in the Igbo language. And this brings us to the end of the class. So please like, share, and remember to check description for details on our upcoming group Igbo class. Don't forget to click on this video on my right hand side to watch the previous video on this series. That's the part 1 of this series. Don't forget to click on this video to watch the part 1 of this series. Bye bye. Subscribe.